Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about a Bitcoin indicator. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, token swap, or giveaway. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So this is a SOPR indicator by Renato, and basically it's a spend output profit ratio. You use the price sold divided by the price paid. This is how you get the ratio. When SOPR greater than 1, it means the owners of the spend output are in profit at the time of the transactions. Otherwise, they are at a loss. So basically, above 1, you're going to sell at a profit. So they put all this into the graph from 2014 to 2019, and for the ratio of SOPR appear to be oscillate around the number 1, so it will oscillate around 1. And secondly, also during a bull market cycle, the SOPR below 1 are rejected. So that means if you're doing a bull market cycle, has to be above 1. And during a bear market cycle, the values of SOPR above 1 are rejected. That means that during the bear market cycle, it should be below 1. So they plot all this data from 2014 to 2019. And remember 2015, 2016 in a bear market cycle, you can see 2014 at the peak, and then it dropped below 1. And 2015, see here is not above 1, it's like barely touching 1. And you can see the bear market cycle all the way, and then up until 2016. So 2016, you can see they pop up more than 1, and then it start the bull market cycle. So this is they're saying that this is an indicator that start the indicator to tell you that you are whether you are at a bull market cycle. And you can see here at 2017, the end of 2017, it spiked up really high. And then after the 20,000, we go all the way up to 20,000 at the end of 2017, and then it crashed all the way down. When it go below like this, that means you're at the start of the bear market cycle. So you can see the bear market cycle, it oscillate between, all this, and then it go below 1. And then right now here, it pops up again. So they're saying that maybe we are out of the bear market, go to the bull market. So basically, in a bull market cycle, when SOPR ratio fall below 1, people will sell at a loss. So of course, during the bull market, there's no point you sell at a loss, right? So you will wait until the price go higher, and then you will sell. And this will push the price, the supply, this will push the price upward, because they're not willing to sell. The supply will be going down. With the supply going down, there will be upward pressure on the price. So this is basically the psychology point. Less supply, prices are pushed higher. So this is a bull market cycle. In terms of the bear market cycle, everyone is want to exit out, want to selling, waiting for the break-even point. So when the SOPR is closer or greater than 1, that means they start to sell. And then as they reach break-even point, they will sell even more. So with a higher supply, of course, the price is going to punch. So this is oscillating around 1, this ratio basically. And so this ratio, interesting things you have to notice for this indicator, basically suggests the blue one is starting for SPR ratio, and also suggests the capitulation in 2018 was, technically speaking, pretty nasty. And yes, there was pain even when compared to 2015. So let me know what you think about this oscillator indicator. So this SOPR indicator, it looks like we are out of the bear market. Let me know what you think. Do you think we are out of the bear market? And there's also an interesting from crypto medias, and I think it says that bull and bear cycle become longer each time. During previous bear market, first test and breakout of 0.382 Fibonacci level was a strong signal of a pre-parabolic move. So we are now approaching this level, and however, the speed of the cycle is way too fast. So basically, he's saying that During the previous cycle, the first test of the 0.82 Fibonacci level indicate the end of accumulation and beginning of the final consolidation before taking off to the new all-time high. And bull and bear cycle become longer each time. The fact that can be easily explained by because more market participant, higher market cap, longer it takes to shake the people off on the way down and move the price up to new all-time high. That's the reason why it takes longer. And you can see that it takes about 434 days from the all-time high to the first 0.382 Fib level. And here you can see here it takes 714 days to get to the Fib level. This is 1.6 times longer than the previous cycle. And for this time turnaround, it's only 525 days. And this is 1.4 times shorter than the previous cycle in terms of getting to the 0.382 Fib level. And in terms of going to all-time low, so this is 273 days, and then this one is 294 days. From the all-time low to the first 0.382 Fib level, and this is only 161 days, so it's 2 times shorter than the previous cycle, which is 161, which right now is 161 days, which is 2 times shorter than this. So basically, it's saying that Bitcoin is now approaching 0.382 Fib level for the first time. It has taken 200 days less than previously, but the cycle do become longer but shorter, not shorter. So the reason to suggest that it could be one massive rebound. So they are just concluding that this may be a massive rebound because of that, and much shorter period, almost half the time than the previous cycle. We have no capitulation, no accumulation, no volume to acquire any substantial amount of Bitcoin. All of the above could suggest that we are currently in a very powerful rebound. And the main questions to ask is, why is this cycle moving so fast if there was no volume to load up big bags? What are the chances we are going to new all-time high if they don't have enough stock to dump later on the FOMO crowd? So let me know what you think about this Bitcoin cycle. So this is pretty interesting. There's because of the shorter time period, there's not much capitulation and all that. That means there will be a powerful rebound coming up. Let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear from you. And Peter Brand talk about Bitcoin appear to be stabilizing after 12% break on first day. I'm willing to dip my toes back in the water. So he basically is saying that let's see. So I think, remember, Friday we have some correction, and because of the CME future Bitcoin future expire anytime near the expiration date, there's volatility. I think they just pumped the price to liquidate some of the short position. That's why I pumped all the way to nearly 9,000 last week. And right now it's hovering around 8,500. So I think his initial target for Peter Brand saying that 9321, and we'll see. So Peter Brand, so do you agree with Peter Brand? We are heading up there. And Peter Brand, in case you don't know, he's a veteran commodity trader, and he made the right call when Bitcoin is 20,000. He said it's at the peak. He sell off the Bitcoin when Bitcoin was 20,000 at 2017. So Crypto Doc is also saying that we are at 8,500 right now. Better to miss out on 2 to 3% profit. Wait for confirmation before jumping in. So no need to FOMO until we break 8,700. So this is what Crypto Doc is talking about. This is not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. It's your money. You do whatever you want. So in terms of the short and long position, let's see. So the big finance is like 24K and 20K. So long position is only 24K, short position is 20K. So there's not much difference. So it's hard to tell which direction it's going to go. I mean, right now it's a little bit higher, but you never know. So in terms of the, let me see the other one. So So right now, when you combine the Bitfinance and BitMEX, the total long position for Bitcoin is 61%, short position is 38%. Ooh. So a lot of people going to long position. Oh, wow. And in terms of Ethereum, 76% short long position, 23% short position. Let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear from you. Do you think we are out of the out of the bear market, heading to the bull market cycle? And what do you think? Are we starting the altcoin seasons right now? Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. I think this ratio is pretty interesting. I think we need to do more study on that. It looks like, based on the historical data, it's a little bit, it's kind of spot on. It kind of spot on the bull market cycle coming up and all that. So let me know what you think. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway or hard fork. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. If you have already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency or ICO has inherent risk. Please use a due diligence.